Hello, hello. How is everyone? Hold on. I haven't seen your weekend. Hello, Black London Toy. Think about a year. A year of subs. That's crazy. Doo-doo-doop. How have you been?
Excuse me.
How is your guys' weekend? Almost a year. Almost a year. That is a year. What do you mean? Well, thank you very much for the 12 months. Good. What about yours? Good, thank you.
Crazy.
I was in a parade. That's exciting. I just want to check something real quick. Hello.
Hope you have been having a good Memorial Day.
Is this a US thing? Is this a UK thing? This is a US thing. Is it a US thing? Whoa! Oh my god, I think it's 24 months. It's an American holiday. Okay, I was like, did I miss something that was specific to the country I live in?
Woo. I started watching with Outsiders and the end of HC Season 3. I am glad I stick around.
Ah, thanks. Thanks for sticking around. I'm just going to go turn on that light behind me. One moment. That's it. Better? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why. Oh, I don't know. That's not Brian. Where's Brian? Where's Brian? All right, hold on. Bring back Brian. There. Now it's on the to-do list. So it's actually going to happen. Let me see real quick. I also need to put on. Okay. Well, there's a lot of what happened a year ago. Why is there so many 12 months? Chloe Gamer, thank you very much for the 12 months. Oh, I think it was 24 months. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was checking my thing. I also need to add one more thing to my. Hold on. Payment turbo. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. So many years. There's lots of years happening, isn't there? We're at 266 for reaching Partner Plus, and I think we might get there. I think we'll get there. Noodle, thank you very much for the 8 months. New Life was a year ago. Oh, cool. Interesting. That's good to know. That's fun, isn't it? Where's my bottle gone? There we go. Yeah, what did you guys get up to this weekend?
Owen, would you like us mods to set up this new join command?
Yes, please.
Also, captions.
I sort of just put it in the title and I was like, the mods will catch on that I want something like that. The join command should just basically say the IP and the version. And that it's on Java. Hello? Potato King, thank you for the raid and for the top links. Thank you for the community gifted. Good fun. Good clean fun. So I finished somewhat.
1.20.4 subs to chat.
Let's turn this down. I finished. Oh, Arabeth, thank you for the prime. A rough outline of the plugin template. So now it should be relatively easy for me to be able to. Oh goodness, I mean, there's a lot of gifted subs happening. Anonymous gift, I think you're actually the 5 community gifted.
An anonymous user has gifted 5 subs to chat.
That's very kind of you. Thanks so much. W gifted. Yeah, I've got somewhat of a basis now to make new mini games, and so I was able to make One Shot in like a couple of hours, like the framework for One Shot, which is great. Let me show you what I mean real quick. If I do this, whomp.
Is it just me who was disappointed when Mesa runners left the maze so they were just runners?
Yeah, don't even get me started. Don't even get me started. Okay. Only for Java's players still. Yes, very sorry. Yeah, so now we've got like this mini game template, which acts as like a blueprint, and then I can just make a new mini game, and I just have to add in the details of the specific minigame, and then it's done. Easy. You can go Oda Luan, check mayhaps.
Hi.
I
I'm
think it's
about to
off
do
right now.
something. Someone please take my access to money away.
About
Anyways,
to do
hi.
something? What are you about to do? Thank you very much for the 5 months. Well done, thank you. Oh, exclamation mark join already exists. Oh, odd. I didn't know that was a thing. Yeah, we've got Void Rising, and now we've got One Shot. That's not done yet. I do need to do a little bit of tweaking on that. So let's just quickly test out Void Rising. Oh. There we go. Am I in 1.20.5? No, I'm in 1.20.4. Okay, cool. Let's do start Void Rising. Okay. We've got a scoreboard on the side. All right. And then the void has started rising. Okay, cool. Is it rising? Yep, it is rising. We're going to spectator and go down here. Presumably, yeah, this is what I've tested before. But as you can see... Oh, I haven't coded super hot yet. I should probably do that, shouldn't I? So let's do that real quick. Okay.
Just looked it up. New Life premiered exactly a year ago today.
Exactly a year ago today? That's crazy. That's insane. Wow. Like a bunch of worms. They do look like a bunch of worms, don't they? Let me just... Wow, is it really been a year? That's pretty wild. How time flies. No kidding, huh? Okay. Hold on, I was just adjusting. Womp. Okay, so we need a new runnable, which will call something else. I just need to pull this up real quick. Yo!
My second month of actually paying for a sub, hooray.
Gosh, hang on. Wait, whoa. What's going on here? Why are you doing that? That's crazy.
Cosmic_Gardens hello, how you doing? 25 subs to chat.
Monica, thank you much for the 13 months. Much appreciated. And then Cosmic as well for the 25 gifted. What is that for? What's going on there? Wow, maybe I should not stream over the weekends more often. Manifesting a quick recovery. At this point, it ain't quick, mate. It's just a recovery. You always say this. Clearly he passed me on to something. Thank you, Cosmic, for the 25 gifted. That's many gifted. Oh. Hold on. There we go. Stay with me real quick. I'm just gonna grab this and then paste it into here. There. It's been a long weekend. Stream elements. Oh, the mods are in the trenches right now. They're not having a good time. I'm so sorry, mods. All right, let's quickly do a little bit of coding. Can we have a different command, please?
How are you doing?
You can call it whatever you like. You can change the title to whatever you want. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Poor mods. Poor mods. Okay, so a super hot runnable is going to take a Void Rising game.
I hope everyone has had a good day today. And if today hasn't been great, then I hope tomorrow is better.
Void, and we'll call it Void Rising. Get rid of this. Actually, better if we just rename this plugin to Void Rising. Why did you bring the commands on them? Ah, because I'm evil. Rename all of this to this. And then import this class. Okay. World. Do I want to specify the world? No. And I don't want...
I was bored, LOL. I wanted to give something back to the community and to you. You guys have helped me so much. both the community and you, Owen.
Thank you.
So, thank you.
Well, thank you. Okay, so if I do this, sorry, I'm trying to also at the same time code a lot. There's a lot going on. Thank you very much for the 25 gifted, and Ghoulish Me, thank you for the 9 months, much appreciated. Cool, there's a lot to catch up on, eh, guys? I think I can just do this, and then what I can do is I can remove these. Leave Psycho to the tier 1. God, so many things happening. So much stuff. I'm trying to work fast so I can get you guys into the game. Command works now. Yippee! What did you change it to? Let me refresh so I can see. Game. Perfect. Thank you. This dot center of game is equal to void rising dot get game get main manager. Yeah, get main manager dot get game center. All right, cool. So that's fine. Do I have to specify that? I don't really feel like that's needed. Let's just get rid of these variables. Hello, Pandia. Thank you for the 2 months. Okay, so now what I can do is I can go void rising dot get game border. No, I need to specify that as a thing. Is that a trait of this? Yo, thank you for the 66 bits. Ping the Discord. Ah, thank you. Good. Thanks. I forgot to do that. My brain's been real scuppered today, as you can tell. Is that, yeah, border game width. Let's have that have a getter. So generate a getter, get border game width. Cool. And now we can go back into here and we can do get border game width. Good. What day is it today? Monday? Have you guys had a good Monday so far? We need to specify void rising dot get main manager dot get world. Oh my goodness, more bits. There we go, all gone. Thank you very much. Oh, chat. Yes. Oh, Luan. I'd like some sweet tea. That would be nice. That would be really lovely. I shall grab some. She's too good to me.
Look
She's
at
too
that.
good to me.
It's a lurker sub.
That's
Back
a.
into the shadows.
Thank you for the
me.
4 months, Kai. There is so many subs. I was gone for 3 days. What happened? Scowling Rose, thank you for another year. Should this be my Luan feature? You can just come say hi.
12 months.
Maybe we
hope
do
you're
away with
doing
the
well.
Luan feature and you just come say hi when you want to. Maybe you talk to them while I try and get this working. Get main manager dot get game center dot get x. I'm gonna do that. You do that. Thank you again, Skyline Rose, for the 1 year. Okay, and then here, which I can't see because you guys are in the way. Can you guys step to the side for me? Thank you. Z, and then instead of get X, it's get Z. So sorry for being in the way. That's okay. I weirdly got into Minesweeper, so that's cool. I like Minesweeper. I like Minesweeper. It's a good game. Okay. This is a plugin. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. I can do voidrising.getMainManager. That's the plugin. Perfect. Was it that easy? Did I do it? Okay. Hold on. Now all I need to do is double check when I run Superhot Runnable. Superhot Runnable. Okay, that's specified at the beginning, and it's used 6 times. Where? Okay, it's used to cancel. I'll be right with you guys. Hold on. We're almost there. And then we'll play a game of Void Rising. It's cancelled twice. It's called in Start Superhot, which is called in Phase 2. So if I go into Void Rising, I need a new variable at the top. Super Hot Runnable is just called Super Hot Runnable. And then I'm going to search for the word runnable here. It's used a lot.
The highlight of my weeks is playing Void Rising with Owen and friends / I sound
Ah.
so sarcastic but I'm not, I swear. Yo, what? I swear I had my last anniversary like last week. Anyway,
Oh, Brooke, that
fun
was a
fact,
tier
the
3.
mods played Rat Hunt for 6.5 hours yesterday, and then some of us went and played another hour as well. In other news, I have
You
some
played
very
Rat Hunt for
stupid hiding
6
spots on
hours?
the map now.
That's crazy. Hi, Luann. Come on in. Come on in. Oh, sweet tea. Sweet tea. Come grab a chair. Pull it through.
I have to show them stuff.
You have to show them stuff?
Yeah, the stuff I
Careful now.
and made.
Stuff you bought and made.
Yeah.
We're going in for a show and tell. I'm going to go into full screen.
I have to go get it though.
Okay, hold on. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to grab this display. We're going to go into full screen. And then I'm going to paste this here. And then I'm going to make it small.
This is so goofy.
So chat can see that I'm still working while you talk to them. Brooke, thank you for tier 3 at 28 months. And Phoebe, I'm glad that you enjoy Void Rising so much. It'll be up soon. Yeah, chat, if you didn't know, having a partner is just which hoodie's going to be stolen today simulator. I need to move over for her. Okay. There we go. I won't have any music on. Oh, who am I kidding? We know what music I'm going to put on. She's grabbing everything, chat.
Not
We went to visit Eloise over the weekend for her birthday, and we also went to a vintage market while we were there, and she got a lot of things.
Only 2 things.
3.
What's the
Bag, wallet.
Oh, the wallet
Oh!
in the bag. That's why I forgot. Okay.
Okay, you do that while I consider how to stop this.
Where should I be? Should you move
Here.
over?
Should I move over? Sounds a lot like you should move over.
Yes.
You're in view still, aren't you? Oh, let me just change the profile of the mic real quick. Oh, it already is. How long has it been like that?
Probably for a while, but I don't know if ouch. Move.
Stop it. I have to be here so I can work.
Oh, there's cat song.
Yeah, for you.
That's so cute.
How are you going to sit with the stuff behind you?
Well-
You haven't thought this through at all. Get up. Oh my gosh.
I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl.
Is that a TikTok audio? Because Michaela's started saying that as well.
No, I think that's just a saying.
Okay.
Unless I'm wrong. Anyways. Okay, first show and tell item. Sweetie! I made this. This is my doing. What would you rate it?
10 out of 10. It is actually very nice. She's just
Sorry.
placed it.
Okay. It was actually pretty easy to make. I had him go out and get the stuff for me.
Can you
Because it was
believe?
convenient.
Can you believe that?
It was convenient. And yeah. Sorry.
What? It's fine. Keep going.
This is the next thing. I made a necklace, which is the centerpiece is a leek. Do you like him? I like him. This necklace isn't really for me, to be honest, because I don't look good in gold jewelry, and this has gold hardware on it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Not really wear it. That's what.
But you can add it to your portfolio.
Yeah. Sorry. I have to be extra loud because even on the second mic, it doesn't really.
It really does.
Chat, what would you say?
Owen can wear it. They're
Here,
saying.
we'll put it on him real
Okay.
quick. Actually, I don't know if it'll fit you because
That is small.
Chat. It's not even close to reaching.
Let me check. It's like how much space?
About like a couple inches.
Yeah, it's like that
Like
much.
maybe. Yeah, I have a really. Let's see, about that big.
There's no way your neck's that thin.
Go on.
No.
Oh wait, it's like fingertip to fingertip. Damn. I made this for my neck, but I'm never gonna wear it.
Auction in the cafe. I'm sure if you started producing stuff, you could sell it on the store.
Chat, would you like jewelry? I make this stuff for funsies, so it's like I could.
I've been trying to get her into starting her.
Sell it for added time to the show up for subathon. my Make 21 months and I see Luann.
How did you
Best
guys manage to do
moment
that?
of
It's
my
Isabella
life
Gacha.
ever.
It's Isabella Gacha. Thank you very much
Hi, Isabella.
for the 21 months. And who was that?
Suffer more /J.
Make go and sell it for more. Subathon time. I've been trying to convince Luann to do a enamel pin shop.
Okay, I would be on this, but the problem is I really, really, really hate
Working.
doing like proper line art. So like when it's like clean and like it's like a vector, sort of. I hate doing that. It drains me horribly.
And I was
quick.
saying that the company would probably do it for you
You
if you
haven't
gave them
checked this
sketches.
yet,
And I
but
haven't
if they
checked this.
did-
It's almost like I've been away.
But if they did, I would be down. And you guys could get
Lemontine pins.
Can I have a sippy?
Yes. Let's see.
Yeah, line art, like proper line art, is too much for me. And I just like doing concepting. So, anyways, next order of business.
Yeah.
This is a bag I got at the market. I didn't get Clip.
No, Clip didn't come with a bag.
This is a bag.
Yeah, we walked into the market and Clip was there. It was crazy.
So, I'm so sorry. So
She
there was
keeps
another.
dropping things on my hand chat, which causes me to click.
So there was another bag that was just like this, but it was smaller. So like about from like this bit, just like but a little bit bigger. So like here, that size. But the problem was, it was 35 for that, and this one was only 40.
So you can see where that went.
Also, I have a bunch of like little bags, not enough big bags. So this was a no-brainer.
You'd be a great streamer just because of how fluently you speak Japanese.
Chat, what do you think these are for? I've been asking everybody. My hypothesis is that it's for an umbrella, but I don't know if that's like, is that wide enough? Can you move that?
Oh, sorry.
I can't read chat.
I can. You can read it there as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I would agree. It's for lunchbox.
That
These.
doesn't make much sense. Oh, sorry.
Stop grabbing my
I'm
mouse.
sorry,
Oh, dear.
Okay, yeah, I would say it's for decor because obviously this is like a bag meant to look like
Camera's out of
retro.
focus.
It's meant to look like retro and stuff. But Ninja Scrolls. Yeah, I think it's an umbrella. I think it's supposed to be like effectively for like a little carry umbrella. But I would have to get an umbrella to test this, and unfortunately I don't know where I would get that at. Like just on store. This little pocket right here fits my disposable camera perfectly. So that's very convenient. It has two different pockets, which also fits my tablet. So it's a perfect little like business bag. Oh yeah, I guess I could fit like, if I was bringing around like a poster for my job, Sparrow, but probably not.
Poster for your job?
If I was presenting and I had a poster.
I'd be way too concerned that like water or coffee would get splashed on that. That's like a disaster waiting to happen.
Yeah. Okay. And this is my billfold I got because I needed it to match my bag. And this holds. I'm not going to show you the inside because there's important documents in here. But yeah, so it's
a little
really
fold.
nice, and it has a zip compartment which is perfect because I hate when I don't have like billfolds that don't have a place to carry coins, because cashiers will always give you coins in America when you pay with cash.
Got it working, chat.
Yay!
Just in case you
We're
lost track
so-
of what we were doing.
We're so proud. We're so proud.
I'm gonna need you to head over to your computer to test out the multiplayer function.
One last thing.
Okay.
One last thing, chat, and then you have to say goodbye to me until you see me in the game.
In the game.
These are the shoes I got. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Guys, they were only 15. 15! That's sick. That was sick. I was so excited. Oh god. He's in love. You can see it in his eyes, his beady little eyes. Yes, so these are so I can't wait to get some like black leg warmers and then put them over, because yeah, Abolish, I'm a girl. I'm a girl, if you could tell. I have to have matching everything.
That's not.
I'm just a girl.
I'm just a girl.
Little black dress, tights with stripes, black leg warmers, these boots, my little bag I got. I would be giving. Just saying. Anyways,
Well
yeah,
done.
that's it.
Good show and tell.
Just a
Thank you for
girl
the sweet
standing
tea.
in front of a guy.
Nice, good reference. Yes, I'll see you on the server.
Yeah. What kind of some more tea before I go?
You can sip it as you.
Well
Sorry,
done,
no.
Abolish. You have good observation.
I was just making an
skills.
observation. No, I think that was you don't understand. That was Luann like agreeing with you and like
That
bigging
was
you
the
up.
point.
Luann's aggressive in her affirmation.
I'm also just
Because
I just like-
we'll be agreeing on something and she'll go, no, but that's just the thing. And I'll be like, why do I feel like I'm wrong, but you're like agreeing with me at the same time? She's like, no,
Also-
but you get it.
Also, I just like to tease Abolish.
Yeah, who doesn't?
doesn't?
Who doesn't, eh? All right, scamper out of
Bye.
here.
Bye, guys.
Bye everyone, bye.
Did I get it? Oh, it's at my
You can
leaf
take
necklace.
you can take a sip. You're right, but I'm more right. And you have perfectly summated the dynamic.
Thank you.
That's all right. Love you. Bye. Oh, I'm dying.
Okay.
All right. Bye. I'll see you on the server in a sec. Cool. Whitelist add Luann _ That player's already listed. Good. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. Oh my gosh, you know what I should do? I should add. You know what I hate? How in Minecraft you can like /whitelist like list. Okay, so there's one player, right? But let's say I did like /whitelist add Apokuna. Great, Apokuna can join, but what I can't do is I can't go /whitelist remove all players and have it clear the whitelist. It only clears the people who are online. But I could make a plugin which goes in and directly changes the whitelist file, like it just writes into it. I can do that, which is really good if I want to like kick everybody out the server, because then I don't have to like go in and manually do it myself. That would be cool. I might add that as a plugin later. Right, where is Luann? Hopefully she's not just like away a ways. Oh, there she is. Cool. Hello. Ow. Okay. Let's do reload. Confirm. Okay. Let's quickly just change this. Let's test. I'm gonna make myself on the other side here real quick so we can see the board. And then if I do start rising. Okay, it has Luann and I there. Okay. Cool. That's all fine. Luann and I are both got both on the scoreboard. Here, hold on. Luann, who is in first on your screen? Me or you? You. with 0. Okay, I would prefer it to prioritize the player who is... But I suppose it doesn't really matter. Oh no, actually it wouldn't, would it? No, it prioritizes it based off of who was here first. Okay, respawns are now off, so I need to kill Luan and see if it ends the game. Orange juice wins. I got 1 point for that. Okay, cool. Let's do that again. Youch! Oh, starting. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh no. Ah, drat. Okay, the lobby is being weird. That's fine. I can get rid of that later. Let me just add that to the list. Remove playing game for second time causes boss bar weirdness. Okay, now I'm actually going to kill Luan. Give Orange Juice diamond sword. I'll take an axe. Just to double check. I don't get any points for killing you. Yeah, cool. Okay, fine. Chat, it's so yummy. You can go get some more. Okay, now I need to do that again and see if I get any points. Okay, I got 5 points then. I think I got 4 points for killing and 1 point for surviving. If I do this... Okay, cool. I'd have to make more, which I don't want to do. Wait, is that it? It was 2 glasses and that's done? You can come in and... No? It's not done? Okay. You can see why I was confused. Stayed by my side when I say do 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 do. So I didn't get any points for being the last person standing there. So let's try and figure out what's going on with that, shall we? Let's go to right monitor solo. Let's have a little route around here. We have a global listener here, which when someone dies, it passes the responsibility of whoever died to the minigame, which then passes it to the function. Player killer award survival points. That's fine. Update all scoreboards. End game, check and do. If that's done, game over. Here we are. Award last player with extra points. Last player standing points is 6. I didn't get those as far as I'm aware. End game, check and do. And then in game over. Maybe it's just not updating it. Let's have it run main manager dot get games or game scoreboard. Oh, is game scoreboard something in here? Game scoreboard dot update all scoreboards. I think it is doing it. I think it's just not updating the scoreboard when it happens. Let's test it. Not yet, not you guys. That wasn't a sign for you to start joining. Okay. Hopefully that loaded all fine. I didn't actually stop and check. Yay. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to double check that did load fine by doing it again. 53 minutes past. Yep. Grab that. And then reload confirm. Game. And then start Void Rising. Give Orange Juice axe. So I should get 1 point for outliving Luan, 4 points for eliminating her, and 6 points for being the last player standing. I think 4 points for eliminating her is a bit much. I think 2 points should be for eliminating someone. And then it's over to you guys, and you guys can try it out. But let's just see how this goes real quick. So I should get 11 points total. But first I have to find her. Where's she gone? Luan. Have you gone? She just ran. She did run off, didn't she? Oh, it's an ocelot. Luan, I have to be responsible for killing you. Don't die too soon, yeah? Luan. I got 11 points. Okay, it works. Sorry, Luan. Alright, server's going down. Whitelist will be opened in just a moment, and then you guys can play. I can't believe you can kill like that in Minecraft. I'm a dreadful person. You forget that about me. Yep, you forget that about me. Do. That is something to kill them every time. True, I could have tested it that way. Fair enough. You got that on me. Okay. There we go, cool. I think this should work. And I'm going to move myself over to the other side, and I'll just do that and then just make myself smaller. Boop. Hopefully this works. If this does, I think we can close this book, close this particular chapter. Whitelist off. Reload confirm. Good. People should all be in adventure mode. Please do check if you're in adventure mode when you join. Is that Pandia I saw? That is Pandia. Yeah, I think it's working quite well. This new format. Yeah, I'll show you what I mean real quick while we wait for people to join. I'm actually quite proud of it, to be honest. It was definitely something I needed to sit down away from stream and do. Let's say I want to make a new minigame. So we do new Java class, and we'll call it Bulldog. All I have to do is type extends minigame, and it will say there's a problem, and then I implement all of these methods. And as long as I fill out all of these methods, then everything works in the game. And obviously make a constructor. But that's it. So I'm pretty proud of it, I'll be honest. We can delete this now. It's like a Mad Lib. Yeah, I guess that is a really... That's a really great way of explaining what an abstract class is to somebody that doesn't know what an abstract class is. That'd be so fun. We used to play it. Don't you remember, Brooke? I made it as a data pack. Oh, a couple of things that we need to change real quick. I need to change, actually, certain variables before we start. That was close. Could server address be posted? Exclamation mark game. Okay, so if you kill someone, you get 2 points. The grace period lasts for, we'll say, 5 minutes. The rising phase... why do I have that as 60? That doesn't really make any sense. I'll just put a minute. Sudden death, we'll just say a minute. Border game width, we'll say 100. 40-20, I think, is fine. Void speed up limit will be at 64. Sudden death will be at 300. Respawn will be at, we'll say, like, respawns get turned off at like 70. Anything beyond, this is fair, bro. This is fair. And I think that's it. Those are the only things that we need to change. unless anyone is catching me doing something that I shouldn't or is seeing something going wrong. Cool. If that's working, we'll render that out. Render. I'm so like video game, not video game. Oh, my brain. I'm so dead in the head that I can't believe this. Would you make a Hunger game like a cornucopia? That would be cool. I would like to do survival games at some point, just like a basic survival games. I think could be pretty cool. Okay, let's play. This should also handle people joining late. Does anyone want to volunteer as someone who can join late in the game? Like, as in, like, sign out. Oh, thank you, Pandia. Okay, cool. So, Pandia, you can just join as soon as the game has started, pretty much, and we'll see what it does. Start Void Rising. Let's begin. You can now join if you like. Did it give you steak? Anything missing? I'm spec. Oh, you're all spec. I'm in spec. Okay, game mode. Okay, in which case, reload confirm. That's not fair if you join late that you don't get to play. So everyone entertain themselves real quick while I fix that. So what would that be? That would be if we go to the main listener and we look for people joining the game, and we hard a player join. Hard player join. Add player to all boss bars. Did you have the boss bar at the top of your screen, Pandia? Not sure. Okay. Should I still have my blocks when resetting? I guess I haven't cleared inventories on reload confirm. Clear inventories when reload confirm happens. I didn't. I joined late. Okay, so you get all that. That makes sense. I think. Yeah, you get all of that. Player has joined late. You get a new player profile. You get logged and added to the all player profile. Your inventory gets cleared. You get you get your own scoreboard, and you get. I presume you got teleported to the center. And then allow joins. This is the one that I care about. It should be this. Here. Why is it putting you into spectator and not if allow joins? Allow joins should start as true. I can hear you guys all whacking. Silly, can't you feel what I'm feeling? I don't think allow joins ever gets set as being allowed, so I'm going to set that now, I think, which should be relatively easy. I think in advanced phase 1 I just need to say allow joins equals true. That should fix that. And you probably didn't have food, I'm willing to wager. So, player joined late. I'm going to look for the word cooked beef here. And we'll give you some cooked beef. Joined late. So, we'll do that. Player dot get inventory dot add item. And then it needs to add an item stack. I had food even when you joined late. Shouldn't have, unless I'm missing something. It's only ever given at the beginning of the game, so I don't think that you joined late. All right. All right, Pandy, if you could do the same again, that would be grand. Thank you. Here we go. Let's go. Did that work that time? Yep, I have 10 steak. Okay, great. And you are in survival. Fantastic. He fixed it. He fixed it. I like when code works. I take back what I was saying in the other stream when I said I hate coding. I actually very much enjoy it. I'm excited to see if we can get one shot working. That would be a good one. It's been so long. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about that, East Polaris. It doesn't like reset the map or anything. Them's the breaks. Okay, let's do this. Love-hate relationship. Yes, it is. You're right. Do. I love that Luan is leaderboard first now because did I quit? She must have joined first. You love to hate it. 115 is crazy. That's wild. Dang, wait, what? How? Excuse me? Wait, did people just get iron? No, that wasn't the Iron Age, was it? That was just the normal one. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that this is just sitting here. Are you kidding me? Man, maybe I should watch. Maybe I should watch them more often. True. Oh, look, it's Luan down there. Can you mine? No, you definitely can't mine emeralds with a stone thing. And this is just like a very rich ore area. It's kind of wild, actually. Remember, you get 2 points for killing somebody. Yeah, you can. Can we mine with stone? Ah, well, whatever. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Sorry, I was just right. Well then, is this like a? Oh my gosh, there's more. We're getting to the point now where. Oh, by the way, okay, hang on. There's a lot of thoughts I'm having. So small problem. The pins for season 3 are not going to be here in time for the start of the subathon, which means they're going to arrive during the subathon, which is a shame because I would have loved to have shown them at the beginning of the subathon. It just hasn't worked out with timings and stuff, which I'm a little upset about because I've always had them on time for the subathon, but they just took longer to process, like on the side of the company that I work with. So that's a shame, but you know, you can't have it your way every time. I think it will still be nice to see them, and you know, additionally, it means when I can, when I get them, I can like open them up and show them on stream, which will be fun. And then what else was I saying? Yeah, it's starting to get to the point now where I need to start considering a bunch of stuff to do with the subathon, which is scary. And I just have to kind of wait here.
When will the subathon be?
July
Like
5th. July 5th, uncapped. No Dice Season 2. That would be cool. I'd love to do that one day. But I'll be a mod when I did that. That'd be make me sad. You'll have to talk to Lemontine about that one. I have no idea how to begin making good Minecraft skins. Gonna set the date in my mind. It's gonna be really fun. I got a couple of games lined up. I'm gonna be really selective about what games I actually play. I'm hoping that 1.21 comes out in time. That would be sick. Because then I could get some work done on Season 5. Otherwise, we're gonna be playing a bunch of different games. The void has started rising. I've spent most of my time just waiting for this ore to smelt. Oh! Whoa, Potato King's killing people. I'm gonna pop this on. I could have, to be honest, made this a lot quicker for myself if I had just... Wait, how long should the subathon be? Should the subathon be? As much as people want it to be. It's uncapped. Wait, did I... I need to... I asked Twitch for front page for my birthday and they agreed, and then I realized I have a party on for that day, so I can't do it. I'm not going to beat Tubbo's record. No, that is not the plan. I need to start getting materials. What day will your B-Day stream be on? Sometime within the days preceding or immediately afterwards. So 3 days before, 3 days after, sometime in that. Whatever day doesn't have things that people are doing on. June, apparently, for some reason, is like a really popular month for people to organize plans. I can name like 3 different things that are happening over June that weekend. My birthday is on the 16th of June. And in case you are new to the community, the bits, subs, donations, and such that I get on the birthday stream feed into the starting timer of the subathon. But they won't let you do an alternate date. They let you do that, but oh no, I'm sure they will. I'm sure they will let me do an alternate date. I just need to tell them. I just forgot about it. I was like, oh wait, because I was gonna be like, guys, we're gonna be on front page. Twitch have said yes, but then I was like, oh, your birthday's so close. Don't. I haven't got time. I haven't got time to think about it. And there's a lot of resources here. Someone has the right idea. People are killing people, but it doesn't give you points yet. Oh, hi. Didn't realize this tree was taken. Where's the other one? There was another too wide tree. I can't see it. All right, that's gonna get me nowhere close to the way I need to get to. We might be in a little bit of trouble. Oh, actually, no, we aren't. Hold on. Is that enough? Not really. Boop. Hup. Hup. Hup.
You should make a bucket and or a shield.
I have a shield, don't I? Oh, I didn't. I didn't make a shield. I ran out of wood while I was smelting the thing. There we go. That's better. Doop. Thanks for the heads up. Can't think of Ghost Owen. Ghost Owen made an appearance the other day. Oh, did everyone see the SOS video? I saw you throwing hands. And I was like, that's fair game. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was a big one. Wasn't there a twist? Wasn't the twist crazy? I did not see that coming a mile away. That was wild. Is the void below us? I mean, of course it is. It's not going to be anywhere else. But how far below us? I will not reveal whether or not the who survived and who didn't. You'll have to see the other episodes for that. But we're getting close to the end of the season now. Oh, mate. Your jaw dropped. I couldn't believe it. It was ridiculous. It came out of left field. All right, I think we're good to go. I'm going to go over here. And yeah, we'll start going. Who's that down there? The curly crew. I could kill them and get some points, but I won't. I don't know if I can say the end date of the SMP. Oh, there is the void. Here it comes. Yes. Unfortunately, the video got copyright claimed, and by the time that they unreleased the audio issue that I had, the people that I got the audio from, it had already been like 2 days. So most of the revenue isn't even going to go into my pocket. So if you've seen it in the first 2 days, maybe go watch it again if you feel like it. Oh, I need to do the custom thing, don't I? Hey, hello. Where are you? It's Isabella Gacha. Maybe I can save you. I don't see you anywhere. Oh, never mind. You knew it was a big episode when everyone uploaded like the same day? Yes. Yeah. How are we all in chat? We're good. The ending was so funny. It was ridiculous. Oh. Oh, hi, Luan. That was super cute. Man, I haven't eaten any of my steak. All right, Luan, you know what we have to do in order to get points? We got to kill people. If we kill enough people, we'll be so far ahead that they won't be... Or do you think we should, like, wait a little longer? Oh! I don't know if that'll count as your point. I don't know if that'll count as your point, Fishy. You can't just knock them off. That doesn't get you points. That doesn't get you points. Murderer. It did, I think. Not for my POV. Abolish is too strong. Sorry, Abolish. I'm getting points. I'm here to get points and nothing. You. Okay, you know, hello there. You can live. Hello there. You killed Luan. Sorry. I'm here for points. Dang it. Whoa, Pandia. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, drat. Maybe I can outlive some people and get some more points. I got 31 points out of... Oh, I don't know. It depends who wins and who gets the final points. Oh, it's tied to Pandia. Pandia is 1 point ahead of me. I can't believe that. Oh, Genuine just sneaks it by being the last person standing. That was really close, though. Oh, that was really good. That was really, really good. Ah, dang, that's sick. I want to make like a custom scoreboard eventually. Again. We'll play it again in a little bit. I'm gonna try and get one shot working for a bit. / kick all players whose name is not equal to orange juice with the reason. Thank you for playing. Now we code one shot. Whitelist on. Okay, cool. I think that went really, really, really well.
Forfetublings gifted a tier 1 subscription to Kazoon _.
I love how Brian gets like a slight lisp when he reads your name. Forfetublings.
I hit one person off and then got slapped up by about 20 people. OG TV stress.
That will happen. That will happen. Forfetublings, thank you very much for the tier 1 sub to Kazoon. Okay, so Luan, can you rejoin real quick? Let's get to work on coding one shot. Yes, you can come have some sweet tea. So when players start and we enter the first phase of one shot, we want everybody set all players' health. We want that to be a method here. For player in main manager dot get player manager dot get active players. Okay, no worries. Thank you. It's okay. This isn't PvP in the traditional sense. This is like bow PvP. And it's still a lot of fun. When I knocked the person off, my points went up. They would have gone up by 1 because you outlived them, but they wouldn't have gone up by 3 because it didn't get attributed as your kill, if that makes sense. Which I kind of like, that if you want to kill somebody and get points for it, you have to like hit them. No life? I thought it was called one shot. Have I been calling it the wrong thing? No life? This is no life. This is what I'm doing. Sorry, I've been calling it one shot. That's its new name now. You guys can call it no life if you like, but for reasons that I can't go into, copyright, we can't really call it that quite really. So it's now called one shot. Okay, cool. So for each player, I think what you can do is there's something called get attributes. Yes. And then you can do attribute dot generic max health, and then you can do set base value, and you can set it to 1. So that should make everybody have that. Let's set this at the end of this. Let's see if that works first. Let that render out. TP Luan to orange juice. Reload confirm. Cool. Oh, I need to add that as a thing. If rejoin in lobby set to adventure in middle. We did get Luan check, yes. So let's do that. Now if I do start one shot. Hey, look, it worked. Oh, sort of. It sort of worked. What happens if Luan dies? Oh, there's a grace period. Oh, and I've lost my arrow. Okay, so we need to add infinity to the bow. Add infinity to the bow. And I forgot
BTW, you've given me little guardsman brain rot. I was playing D&D and asked my DM to truth spray the NPC.
I saw that the Hilltop Games saw that we had a video of me being like Lil, which I thought was really funny. Amount to set. I thought that was super cute. So let's set that to 2. Okay, so now I need to, where is this? Bow dot set unbreakable to true, and then bow meta dot add enchant. And what's the enchant rule? Enchantment enchant int boolean. Okay. Enchantment dot is infinity a thing? Did I miss it? Enchantment dot arrow infinite. Okay, set 1 and set it to false. I'm going to assume that the boolean is whether or not it looks enchanted. I'm just going to guess that that's what that means. Okay, so there's that. Let's see if that works now. And when a player dies, herd player death, it gets their health, and then we need to make it so that it pluses 2 to their health. Unless their health is 20, in which case, then they need to be eliminated. And I'll be honest, that other than a couple of other tweaks, One Shot is a really, really simple game. Like, it just took a couple of lines. The base format, in case you don't know what One Shot is, you start with 1 heart. Every time you die, you get another heart. You keep going until you have 10 hearts, and if you die, you're out the game. And it has bows. So yeah, there's like a lot of shooting and stuff. Let's see if this works. Reload, confirm. Oh, I need to set it so that the attribute gets reset. Reset attribute when reload, confirm. What doing? Testing. Start One Shot. Okay. We've got 1 heart. Good. Infinity's working on the bow. No! Well. Full damage is off. I remember now. Oh, we need to make it so that when you kill somebody, your health gets regenerated as well. Ah! Why does this spawn us all the way up here? Oh, whoa! What a shot that was! That was crazy. Oh, Jack. Ah, oh, dang it. Are you doing the colored names as well? We'll get there eventually. We're doing just a prototype for now. Ah. Oh. Dang it. Oh my gosh. She's good with a bow. Oh, one of these days I'll get that shot. Oh. Oh! Okay, this is it. Oh. She's been eliminated, but she respawned. Hang on. You should be eliminated. I've been eliminated. Alright, shoot me real quick. Shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. Shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. Oh my gosh. As soon as I tell her to. Okay, so it doesn't increase my health any more than it does. Where did she go? Did you just jump really high? Wait, where were you when I landed? Okay. I'm gonna go to the loo real quick. Luann is gonna entertain you guys while I'm gone. She shot herself. Oh, I see. I'm just gonna go to the loo real quick. One moment. Just the moonline. Thank you for the raid. How's it going? I think I'm close to getting it. She's the legendary Valkyrie? I had no idea. Do that while I work on stuff. I need to make players invulnerable, not just resistant. Make players in lobby invulnerable, not just resistant. Being eliminated doesn't actually do anything in the game yet, so I need to set that as well. Herd player death. Event.getPlayer.set game mode into game mode spectator. Cool, so now they're dead. And then we also need to end game check and do. Good there? You got him on the ropes? Whoa! You did it! Well done! Good job. That was all me. That was all you. Well done, baby. Okay. So what was a couple of other things that we needed to do? We wanted to do teams. Add teams. It kept respawning us in the air. Add proper respawns. That was weird, wasn't it? I wonder why it did that. Oh, 2 seconds of resistance was a thing we had last time, wasn't it? So let's go to here. Herd player def. Didn't even break a sweat. Event.getPlayer.add potion effect. And then we're going to do new potion effect. And inside of this new potion effect, we're going to have potion effect type dot damage resistance. Its duration is going to be 3 seconds. It's going to have a false ambience and a false particle effect. Then what? The respawn thing might have been due to the fact that you are playing at the bottom of void area and you're set at, yeah. I think that's probably it. What's next? It's not showing me properly. Let me get rid of all this. So it goes Boolean ambient, icon, potion effect, hidden effect, duration, amplifier. That's what I want. Yeah, add that in. Can I just like tell it to add that in? Int, boolean, boolean, boolean. So duration, amplifier. Duration, amplifier, false, false, false. That should give them resistance for 3 seconds upon respawning. Well, what's wrong with that? Oh, I need to do the type. Potion effect type damage resistance. Duration is set to 3 seconds. Amplifier is set to 100. And then ambient and particles are both false. Okay, let's do a command, which we're going to have be in utility. And it's going to be called public static void. Actually, it's going to be a location. Choose random respawn. Okay, it's going to take a radius of where it should respawn people. So we'll take like an int of radius. And we're going to do some random generation. So location, location, return, location to spawn. Rename that. Can I do like random util dot? I just want to like a random number generator. Is that not a thing? One moment. Let's go check how to pick random number between two numbers in Java. Random.nextInt. Okay. Java.util.random.nextInt. The min parameter is inclusive, whereas the upper bound max is exclusive. We can also generate a random number within a specified range. Okay, I'd like to do that. Int equals. Oh, they don't just make it easy. I think you have to import random library for that. I don't know if it's like that for Java. Yeah, I'm assuming that we'll have to import a library. I think I can just do this. Can I just import random, please? Of util. Okay, sick. Bound can be radius. And what we'll do is we'll do int x equals that. Int z equals another one. But the issue is that this does 0 to the radius. What if I want negative numbers, you know? Can I specify like the upper and lower bound? I'm assuming so. Can I do like minus radius to radius? I guess we'll find out, won't we? minus radius to radius. Okay, so that chooses the X and Z. There should be. Yeah, there should be. Now we need the highest block at that X and Y coordinate. So if we go utility.get highest block, and then we specify the X and the Z. Let's make those doubles just for ease of use. We pass in the X, the Z, and then we get in... we're going to need a world as well. World. Good. That's going to give us the Y, double Y. And then all we have to do is make a new location with that X, Y, and Z coordinate. And then presumably the world. Is it the wrong way around? Yeah. World first, then X, Y, Z. Cool. I think that's it. This basically just chooses a random spot in the world and returns that as a location. So we can use that in one shot when someone dies. We give them invulnerability and then event.getPlayer.teleport. And then we call utility.chooseRandomRespawn. Set the border width as the range that we want. Actually, if we do border width divided by 2, if it's 100 blocks wide, yeah, then it needs to be divided by 2. And then we'll specify the world by getting the world from the main manager. And that should give us some random respawns. Okay, reset attribute when reload done, add proper respawns, make players in lobby invulnerable, not just resistant. That's something we can do later. Teams is something I want to look at, but it isn't entirely necessary for the game to work. And then I think the only thing that we need to do is I haven't actually got a choose location command, which is proving to be difficult. So let's add that in now. Simply do this, choose underscore location. I'm pretty certain I can borrow this code. I've already made this. Yeah, let's rename this to main manager. Rename this to main manager. And then also rename this to main manager.
Wait, is there a chance to spawn in the ocean? Or on a mountain with like 4 blocks?
Yeah. Yes, there is. Sucks if that happens to you. Don't let that happen to you. Yeah, I might do a new command which doesn't let you roll. Doesn't basically choose a block that means that you're going to be in water. We'll add that at a later date. That's quality of life stuff. We can add that later. The executor needs to be a main manager. And I think that is good. We don't have to... I need to specify that this is a command executor. Implements command executor. Utility... What's wrong with that? That's a thing that you can do. Don't lie to me. Utility dot...
All the mods are great and are doing an amazing job and deserve all the love and support. Don't you agree, chat?
Yes. Why would they not? That would be bad. We can just return true if we reach this spot. Okay, now we pass over the responsibility of this command to the main manager. choose location. Here we are. Go back into main manager and add this as a class. Okay, so it takes a new X, new Z, X center. Why would I want to bother with that? Do I want to bother with that? Why is it called that? Hold on, side chat. Oh, okay. I see what it's doing. Let's set this to double. And then it makes the game center equal to a new location where it gets the highest block. Oh, hang on. Yeah, XZ world. That's fine. I think that's fine. But we need to specify that this is X center, Z center. Banger song, by the way. Set spawn location needs to be set to game center. World border needs to be set to this new game center. Why do I need to specify what the highest block is again? If I do that, why don't I just do this? I already specified that above. I'm being silly. What am I
Hi
doing?
Owen, quick question for fun. RQ5 musical and why?
Favorite musical? I like Heathers. What else do I like? I think Heathers, to be honest, is my favorite. You've said the word. They knew what they were doing, surely. Yeah, I think we can just remove that. I think that's redundant code. And then it teleports everybody to this new game center. That should do us fine, chat. Let me just read through this again. It takes the new X and the new Z, it rounds them off and then adds a half so it's in the center of the block. It sets the game center to be this new center. It sets a spawn location and the world border to the center, and then for every player it teleports them to that spot unless they're the person that made the command, in which case it doesn't bother teleporting them. That looks good to me. Let's see if it works. Boop, boop. Okay, let's teleport over to... Whoa. Oh, we were over a... That's cool. Oh, this would be sick to play this in. Choose... Oh, I forgot to bloomin'... Ah! In the main manager, when you create a new command, you have... Because it's an object-oriented programming, you have to actually create the, like, class that has that command. There. And then also in our plugin YML, we need to specify what this command does. And as you can see, I'm leaving really good descriptive names, such as stuff. Okay. Reload confirm. I'm back here again. And then we'll move to here. Choose location. I broke something. Did I break something? Quick, bring up the console. What did Owen break today? Okay, it's still responding. Nothing happens when I run the command. Did I call it the right thing? Yeah, choose location and then on command. But it doesn't even say location has been chosen. What? What's broken about that? Sorry, chat. I'm going crazy here. I'm going to comment this out. Test. You guys are just chat. You guys are just enjoying chatting about musicals, aren't you? You're fine. Do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Okay, let's try that again. Let's just choose a new location just to the edge here. Oh, something's going really wrong. It just ain't doing anything when I run choose location, which means it's a really stupid, simple bug. So I'm missing something very stupid and simply. What am I missing that is so stupid and simple? Specified twice, here and here. Mine wasn't specified twice. Mine's just right here. But it doesn't even say test when it's ran. Oh, I'm dumb. It was that. Ugh. I just passed in a wrong argument somewhere. You found it? Yeah. Like I said, it was just one very simple, stupid thing. Okay, choose location. That's better. Still isn't any errors coming up. Say hi. Yeah, there's that. Okay. Location is being chosen, but it's not moving the border of the world. Why? Oh, because I'm not even running the blooming... Look, chat. Because while I was testing, I forgot to uncomment the bit that was actually going to make the code do the thing that I needed it to do. I am silly, I am stupid, but that is fine. Okay, now choose location. Up. Huh. Let's go ahead and make that teleport them a couple blocks above where it's being teleported, shall we? Real quick. Where is it, chat? Where is it? Where is it? Choose location. Teleport all players to game center. Let's have it set it so that it's get highest block +1. So it's one above the highest block. Evil man, I didn't do anything wrong. It was erroneous. It was not malicious. It was ignorant. Okay. All right, let's try that again. Choose location. What's going on? Are you like teleporting off the edge? Where are you going? Is this going to happen above here as well? Where's the bamboo jungle? I really liked that as a place to fight. Well, that one went fine. Yeah, I think something about it being on the bottom of the world or something, it like doesn't like that. Oh, I tell you what, actually, I think it's probably because the get highest block thing scans everywhere as long as it's greater than 64, and when it isn't greater than 64 it returns minus 65, so it needs to be greater than or equal to 64 minus 64. That'll fix that. We might as well test that. Small, very, very small bug that probably won't ever happen to anyone other than me, because no one's going to be setting their location to be the bottom of the void, but good to do all the same because we're efficient. Well, I don't know if efficient is the right word. Okay, the platform should be down here. And then if we choose this location, there you go. See? She's fine. Okay, I think we're good to go, you know. Let's test this out with just Luann and I. Start one shot. We got grace period. We run, we run, we run, we run. We can't break blocks because we're in venture mode. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? She was right here. Oh, oh! Oh, there's already sudden death. I need to lower that. Oh, and I'm good. Okay. Oh, when we die, we might get to... Stop. I need to die real quick. That is not giving me... That is definitely not giving me... resistance, is it? Keep going, keep going. Okay. And it's also not ending the game when she's the last player remaining. Okay, so let's double check a couple of things here. Sudden death too quick. Not ending on last player. It also didn't seem like it was respawning me properly. You know what I mean? Like it kept spawning me in the exact same spot. But before sudden death, it was. Is that supposed to happen? Yes, that's the point of the game. Is she an AI? Yeah. I coded it myself. The leaves? What about the leaves? The leaves? The camera just went really out of focus. That's okay. That happens sometimes. Let's do reload confirm. Getting rid of them at the start of the round. Oh, I forgot about that. Get rid of leaves at start of round. We technically don't need to do that anymore. We only did that in the first place was because... Why did I do that? What was that? There must have been a reason for it. Was it like a teleporting problem that I was having? Made it better because less levels, spawning players on a higher platform than you wanted. Because people couldn't get them. I see. Alright. So we'll have to add that at some point. But for the time being, one of our biggest issues is firstly, sudden death is way too quick. So let's go fix that now. Main phase is going to take 5 minutes. Sudden death should take a minute to come in. And it should be doing end game check and do. So end game check and do if somebody is set to spectator, as in if somebody is eliminated. And then if main manager, if all the active players... So is it removing them from active players? I'm imagining not. No, it isn't. Okay, so main manager dot get player manager dot get active players dot remove, and then event dot get player, get the player that just died, and then also remove them from get active player profiles. And then we need to do, this is going to be an interesting one. Main manager dot get player manager dot get player profile from name, event dot get player dot get name. God, the things we have to do to make this work. Happy birthday, Sky. H. We don't have time. I can't do that for everyone. I'm so sorry. Happy birthday. What did Luan say? Can't wait for the day there is one-shot power-ups like Mario Kart when you get items to give you special arrows. That would be cool. I'm phasing that out now. I can't do it for everybody. You just won't be able to see it. Good. There you go. See, you know that Phoebe somewhere in the world is doing it for you. Okay. Get active players. So it removes them from the game. That'll probably cause the end of the game to happen. That's what we wanted. Sudden death is too quick. That's fixed as well. We can get rid of the leaves. This is going to be a weird function to make. You ready? Here we go. Public void get rid of all leaves. I wonder how the game is going to be able to focus on this. Is Shep here? Hey, Shep. Wait, is Shep here? Cool to have boosts or effects that give you levitation. That would be cool. And did birthday? That's okay. Birthday. So, for... Can I make me a for loop? I don't want to bother doing it 3 times. Do it for me. Please. Yes, good. For x is equal to the border game width divided by 2 minus up to border game width divided by 2 plus, and let's actually add 5 onto these both ways. Some badges.
Bleh.
Bleh. Thank you, Shep, for the 5 months. Much appreciated. Luan's such a hustler for me. It's crazy. I was like, Shep, get some badges. You should sub. So we have Z, X, and Y. We need to do Y as well.
Okay, but what if you made a Hunger Games type game?
Oh, I will
like
eventually.
Cornucopia in the mid, and people who like pay or use mine coins or SMTH can sponsor other players. I think that would be really cool.
Sponsor other players? That'd be crazy. Goes to me as well. It is true. It's true. So let's have it be from that to 320. There we go. And then Y. What's wrong with this? Why does it have a problem with that? Yeah, cool. Okay. So we now have X, Y, and Z, and we are going to do location equals new. I need to specify the location beforehand. Location equals new location. This is going to take a world, which we're going to specify. World equals main manager dot get world. It's going to make a new location. It's going to take a world. It's going to take an X, a Y, and a Z. So now we have the location. If that location has a material dot get the block, get the type. Or is it material? Get type? What's the type? Equals. What does get type return? It returns a material. Equals material dot leaf. Is that, can I just do leaf? Oh, let me do any leaves. Please don't make me have to specify each individual leaves. What's one of your favorite games, Luan? Oh, is there a way to do like a material type? We have to go look this up. Java bucket match material of type leaf. That's not a very good Google search. What does match material do? Bucket API. Again, that's like Meltdown. Oh, true. That's true. I could do that. That could be like a Power Original. That would be sick. Okay. Match material. Attempts to match the material with the given name. This is a match lookup. Names will be stripped of the Minecraft namespace, converted to uppercase, and then stripped of special characters. That doesn't... okay. Java bucket. Check if material of block is a leaf. Say, but thank you for the tier 1. I'm looking, chat. I'm searching. You can't see because it's on the edge of the screen. What if I did this? There we go. Can I do like leaves? Material leaves. Here. Extends wood. Represents the different types of leaf block that may be permanent or can decay when too far. This is all of them? Is this a class? It's a class leaves. It's just a class. The whole of leaves. Can I check if something is of class leaf? Leaves type. Block type. Bamboo leaves. Oh, man. I can tell I'm close, but I don't know what I need to do to make it work. Dot get block dot set type break naturally. Can I do like is leaf? Is leaf. I can do is liquid. Get class is an instance of leaves. Expression expected. Check DMs for fun lottery. I'll have to check it after I've finished this mind fort thing. Get the class dot toString. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try it like this. This is technically not how I meant to do this, but I want to see what this returns. What does get block dot get class do? I need to find out what that does. Get block. It returns a block. And then get class. No, that's not correct. Breaks the block and spawns the item. Can place break naturally. Get biome. Get block data. Returns the complete block data for this block. What's block data? I want to see that. Block data. Okay. Get material. Can I get like the tag? Rotate requires mirror merge matches. Okay, we're going to put a pin in that. I'm going to have to come back to that one. We'll just have to have... You can check if the material contains leaves. Can I? If location.getBlock.get type.get material contains leaves, get material dot to string. Get material. Get material. Get type. That returns a material, right? And then, oh, you're saying check if the name has the word leaves in it. That's a clever way of doing that. And that works as a workaround. I'll take it. Dot contains a sequence called leaves. And let's just double check that that's the correct spelling. Material dot leaves. Yeah, so all of these will return true. Does it have to be capitals? Yeah, I think so. Let's make it caps. That was a clever idea. Okay, if this is true, then location.getBlock.set type material.air. So removing leaves. I don't know what this is going to do. We're going to find out. This could crash everything. This is probably the most strenuous I've done because I'm doing like a 100 by 100 area, the whole chunk. Let's find out. I do also think you can also start with the material tag and then check if the type is contained in the tag, but I haven't used that in a while. I'll look into it. I'll add it to my to-do list later on. Right now, we want to try and get something quick and dirty that works. Okay. So, remove or clear. What did I call it? Get rid of. Get rid of all leaves. Did I really call it get rid of all leaves? There's better names, Owen. Let's rename that. Remove all leaves. There we go. What else was broken? I think that's fine for the time being. Let's test that and see how it goes. I should have just called it get rid of all of them leaves. Put all the new method name. Take all of the leaves and put them in the bin. Okay. Reload, confirm. Oh, there we go. So there's some leaves. Those should disappear when we start one shot. Let me just quickly pull up the console to see if it yells at me. Didn't even do it. But there was a lot of lag there, which makes me feel like doesn't matter. All right, let's try. Why did that not hurt you? How did that not kill you? You're on 1 heart. Is it just respawning in the same place again and again? It is, yeah. All right. Actually, we should probably test if this... Why is it not... Kill me. Kill me. There we go. How come when I die by my own account, it doesn't change my health? That's really odd. Only if I get killed by a player, it seems. Oh, you shouldn't be able to hit me. I need to add weakness. Add weakness to all players. Okay, please. Thank you. Oh, good. All right. Well, that works. Luan is officially the winner. So it's noticing that part. Let me just change the music real quick. We've been going around this playlist for a while. Okay. We'll play with everybody in a second. I'm noticing it isn't spreading everybody around randomly, is it? So let's figure out what's going on with that. I think it's got something's going wrong there, so I'm gonna try this. Choose random respawn. That should be fine, right? Do 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 do. Send message to all admins. Text containing the phrase X and the world. And then we'll also do Z. Do 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 do. Okay, cool. Start one shot. That's fine. It's also not giving them the appropriate damage resistance, which I think is what was breaking it. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, it's not teleporting me there. I think I'm respawning too quickly. And it's not... It's not... I think it's applying the stuff to me, and then I'm respawning. You had the same issue in the data pack. I did, didn't I? Could cancel the death event and just TP. True, I've never played with that before. I've never tried anything like that. I suppose that now is a good time to learn how to cancel events. So if I do event dot, can I just set cancelled true? And then I just set them to be... Oh, there should be a respawn event as well. Oh. Well, I'd much prefer to do this on somebody's respawn. Unless... Interesting. Okay, hang on. Let's make a listener then for that. Public void herd player respawn. Oh, you guys can't see, sorry. But I'm available if you need any help. Oh, cool. I'm supposed to. It took me like an hour to find the basic mistake in my code. Welcome, welcome. Player respawn event. We're just messing with some bugs right now. There is. What do I call this? Let's just call it event. Okay, and now in the mini game, we need to specify that this is a function that we need to have copied through. HUD player respawn, which means we need to go into void, go back up to the top here, and implement the method. Nothing happens, but it's there. And then here is where we actually want to implement it. So we implement the method there. Get rid of this. So, when a player respawns, if the main manager dot get player manager dot get active players contains the player that just respawned, then TP them to a random spot and give them the resistance potion effect. Let's see how that goes. So in that case, we don't need to actually cancel the death, right? To count the rest, I think we both know how the story ends. Pace to sleep, oh, love's gonna be... This is where plugins really start coming into their own. Gonna be the death of me. Because you can't cancel events and stuff like that. Alright, let's try this again. Please shoot me. Dang. Okay. Game will do immediate respawn false. Okay, go. Nope. Something's going wrong.
That's the truth and I ain't hiding anything, except for me knife I use for robbing elderly people. I love robbing elderly people. I won't stop. I'll never stop. It gives me a thrill nothing else does. I'll unalive before I stop. No elderly person is safe from me and me robbing knife.
Let's just add a debug message here. Main manager.getWorld. Let's see if it's even calling this function. Oh, I'm dumb. It's not even calling this function. Event handler public void on player respawn event herd player respawn and do. Yeah, forgetting to call the function. That's silly of me. It's also wrong here. So let's go into. I also am aware that that's wrong. Main manager herd player join. We're just going to do public void herd player respawn event. Nothing happens. Let's go to here. That's what I get for copying and pasting. Respawn. Okay. Play respawn event. I'm doing the thing that you're asking. You just haven't caught up yet. It's throwing all these errors, but it doesn't realize that I have done what it's asked me to do. Maybe if I install it. Oh. That's a thing. Don't gaslight me. Okay. It's because you haven't imported it, is it? That's not my fault because you didn't import it. There you go. Caught up. It should do that itself. I don't want to have to bother doing that. I'm too stupid to remember. It needs to remember for me. All right, cool. I think that works now. I mean, we'll see either way. Okay. Dang, she's ready. What the heck? Okay, it's definitely not detecting it. Do 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 do. I'll get there. Okay, so the main listener hears that a player has respawned, and if there is a current minigame, it passes the event. Let's just test to see if it's something to do with game will do immediate respawn false. Oh, there you go. Shoot me. Okay, so it's hearing it, but it's choosing the thing, but it isn't TPing me there. That's annoying. That immediate respawn stops the event respawn from happening. This is going to be harder than anticipated. It's being called too early. I guess so. No, it can't be. It's just not doing it. It's just not teleporting them. Because I'm respawning. Alright, let's try this instead. When a player dies, instead, event dot cancel, set cancelled to be true, cancel the event, and then teleport them. And we're just going to teleport them, event.getPlayer.teleport, new location, and we're just going to teleport them to be main manager 100, 0, 100, 100. Then the thing actually happens. So when the event fires, the player is not respawned yet. I see. Can I like schedule a command to happen 3 ticks after I ask it to? Let's see if we just like, if canceling the event and then teleporting the player is enough. I'm using player post respawn event. Oh, hang on. Oh, look at this. Shall we try that? Let's just try that, I guess. HUD player post respawn. HUD player post respawn. Thank you very much, MF Dev. Okay, main manager. HUD player post respawn. HUD player post respawn event. Import the class. What's wrong with that? Oh, yeah, it's fine. Okay. That's the main listener. And now in minigame, we want to make a new event called public abstract void HUD player post respawn. Player post respawn event. And now in void rising, implement methods and one shot. There you go. And now we'll just move everything from here to here. I still don't know if this will work. Yeah, does it work with immediate respawn rule, game rule? Probably not. I'm wagering on probably not because it didn't just work just then with the respawn event, but we'll see. Doodle doodle doodle. Okay. Reload, confirm. Start one shot. Oh, I'm canceling the event. But it's still not TPing me even after I do that. Look, I'm getting hearts back and it's canceling the death event. Interesting. Okay. Well, now we know how canceling the event works, but that's not what we want to do. I forgot to turn that off. But it's also not teleporting me, which was interesting, wasn't it? Because it cancels the event and then it should just teleport me, but it isn't. Yeah, I'm canceling events, so I'm not respawning, but I'm also not being teleported. So is just teleport broken? Why would it not teleport me? Oops. Okay, let's try that out. Try only the respawn part. Yeah, I'll give it a go. Because there's two problems here. I'm wanting it to both teleport me and I'm wanting it to give me a potion effect. So I'm going to rename this to test1 debug, and inside here will be test2 debug, and then at the back here will be test3. Hi Barry, how's it going? Whoa! Okay, that time it worked. Noted. Okay, cool. Well, that's positive. There's some positives there. So in here, when it's post respawn, it's choosing a random location, but that random location for some reason is the void. Yo, Grove, thank you for the 30 months. I can't wait for you to play it on the sub one. I'm looking forward to playing that too. Okay, we can get rid of the text now because we figured out how to make that happen. I'm also going to change this so that we can see the particles. True and true to see when that's happening. And then let's run that again. We're getting closer, chat.
Oh, in any Casper updates also, what mod is this going to be? This is a very short message to use TTS4.
It's not going to be a mod. It's going to be a mini game that I'm making for POW. And no Casper updates, unfortunately. Haven't heard from him in a while. Okay, let's start one shot. This means I won't fall into the void. I think the respawn point's a bit messed up, don't you think? What is going on there? That's so odd. Game rule, do immediate respawn false. TP to Luan. Okay, now if I click respawn. Why the void? Wait, oh, did you see it gave me resistance for a second there? Is that the number of ticks? Is it in ticks? That whole resistance thing? It's going to be, isn't it? This potion effect is going to be duration in ticks. Yes, it is. Well, at least we figured out why I wasn't getting resistance. I am. And it is going into this thing here. And it is choosing different numbers every time. for some reason I'm respawning there, which makes me think that choose location isn't working. If I do / reload confirm, I'm here. If I die, it's TPing me to there. If I start void rising and then I die, nope, it's there as well. One more thing I want to check. If I get rid of this teleport, does it still put me back there? Is the teleport the thing to blame? We're honing in on the problem bit by bit. But that post-respawn event seems to be doing wonders. Better than it was, at least. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, okay. And I have resistance for 3 seconds. Perfect. Okay, so the resistance is working fine. The teleport function is not at all working fine. So something's going wrong with the teleport function, which is better than like the respawn being a bit weird. So it's taking the border game width, which is set to 100, which is the range of the game. And now we're going to look at the random, choose random respawn. It takes a new random respawn. It creates 2 ints, which we can see it's doing fine above here. Over in this spot, you can see it's choosing random numbers. Let's look at that again. From minus radius to positive radius. It's then getting the highest block at the XZ world coordinate. And then it's specifying a new location for X, Y, and Z. It's telling us what the X and Z are. And then it's returning that location to teleport them to. And for some reason, every time I do this, it's sending me to the void. Like back near 0. Oh! Yeah, I'm not going from the... Yeah. Yeah, that'll do it. We need to get the current game center. So location, game center. That's silly. Oh man, I'm so mad I got there. Just, you beat me to it by a hair. Okay. So in one shot, I need to specify main manager.getGameCenter. Oh, that's broken that. Hold on. Main manager.getGameCenter. There, cool. And then we want to do GameCenter.x plus this. And then we'll do GameCenter.z. This should do it now, chat. This should work. MF Dev, thank you very much for the sub. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. I also appreciate you bailing me out. If I see far chat, it's because I stand on the shoulders of much better coders than myself. Mark, Pandia, MF Dev. There's a lot of people in the community that help me out. Okay. Start one shot. That's right. I'm gonna fight back this time. Where'd she go? Oh, it worked! Hacha! Huh. I am coding in Java, yeah. This is just like one-on-one sniper fights in Guardian in Halo 3. This is just like 1v1 SWAT. And I can see the... I bet she fell down the blooming ravine, didn't she? Where have you gone? Where did she go? She's so sneaky. I can find out where she went. positive X, negative Z. Double. Don't let me shoot your toes. Ah, got him. Ah. Okay, the only thing that's missing now is the teams. Oh. Okay. Whoa. What? Okay. Yeah, the leaves. I don't know how to fix the leaves. I don't know why that isn't working. Let's try that now. Actually, real quick, what happens when sudden death is entered? Ah, stop it. Stop it, you. What happens if I need like a sudden death border? I found something. What did you find? You found it. You found a little badge. What about regen after a kill? Regen after a kill. I forgot that. Yes. Yo, Lady Sinflat, thank you very much for the 15 months. Oh, I'm never coding for Bedrock. You will not catch me coding for Bedrock. Tags.leaves is tagged. Oh, whoa. Okay, hang on. Thank you for the hype chain, by the way. Tag.isleaves. I love how now because you're subbed, you can send. Is that how that works? Can you send links now because you're subbed? Because otherwise you would have got timed out, I think. Okay. Utility. I actually want I want to hear more from the Deer Hunter. Where is their album that I want? I think Emma sent a similar thing. Fair. Sometimes bot lets anyone send a link. Sometimes it times people up for no reason. Silly bot. Okay, so... Hey, thanks for 100 bits. Thanks,
Luan is great.
True.
That's all.
True. Okay, so remove all leaves. If this is what we're after, this is what we're interested in. Let me paste it. So is this the if statement? Block.getType. So that would be location.getBlock.getType. Oh. Make it air. All right. We can see if that works. That's one of the things done. Another thing that we want to check is when a player dies here. If event.getPlayer.getKiller is not equal to null, we want to get, what is it? Oh, this is a good time for us to test this. I think it's coming in over the span of a minute. Yeah. That should work. We'll see. Okay, let's let that go in over the course of a minute, and then we'll test the whole respawning thing. How does it work if you get teleported outside of the thing? So, we have now this, which we'll call Killer's Max Health. And then we will do event.get... we need to specify the killer. .get killer. And then we'll do... Actually, what we'll do is do event player killer equals event.getPlayer.getKiller. Just for ease of use. Then we'll get their maximum health. and then we will say killers dot, oh, whoops, killer dot, can I like set health? I can. Set it equal to killer's max health. That should do us fine. This is not the vibe I wanted. Let's listen to... I think we should listen to some hers. Okay, this is definitely not coming in over the span of a minute, is it? Something's gone wrong with that. Let's just quickly check what's going on there. Sudden death phase time is set to 60. And so when we enter phase 3, sudden death phase time. What's wrong with that? Why is it taking it like ages to move in? Sudden death. Ah, that'll be why. Okay. Fixed. So what do I set it to? $10. Let's have that be an actual variable. So we'll say private final double sudden death border width. And we'll set that equal to 10. And then down here, when we set it, we'll say sudden death border width. Border, world border set 10. Oh. Yeah, that's what I thought might happen. Okay, so when a player respawns, Luan's my little test subject. Set players, blah, blah, blah. Here we are. So, if current phase is less than or equal to 2, then teleport them using the width. Else, current phase must be 3, in which case...
Little question about the subathon, which I don't know if it will make sense, but when you sub, for example, a week before the event, will it count towards the timer or no? This took me a good 2 minutes to think about how to word the question.
It's got to be while I'm live during the subathon for it to count. Which means if you... I believe... Chat, you will probably have more experience with this. If your sub is before the beginning of the subathon, but you show your sub and it appears as an alert during the subathon, is that what increases the timer, or is it when you sub? Like when the sub renews? It's the message. It appears okay, so it's when the alert that'll probably increase the timer. It's the alert message. Okay, so don't worry if your sub renews before the subathon starts. Just do the whole share that I subbed so that it appears as an alert during the subathon, if that makes sense. Sudden death border width. Why is that a problem? I'll just say that it's a... Oh, how do I do this again? I'll just say it's an int then. I don't care. Ain't that deep, bro. Yep, all fine, cool. So now if sudden death is happening, it'll teleport them to the... Oh, could I... Actually, would there be a better way of doing this? Could I... Because then, problem is, while the border's moving in, if someone dies, you know they're going to respawn in the middle, which isn't great. Could I instead... This would be cool if this is possible. Do... Main
I'm curious,
manager,
do you have any plans for your birthday
world.
stream? /NF.
I'll get to that in a sec. Can I get the world border and then get the size of it? I wonder if that gets me its current size or the size that it's going to become. And why is this a problem? Provided was a double. Just cast it as an int. Unless that won't work. Why don't I instead have the radius on the other side be a double? In which case, I don't have to bother checking what phase it's in. I can just have it always respawn them within the border of the world. Have this be a double. How many issues is that going to cause? I think, oh, you can only specify ints. There's always something with you lot, isn't there? This stupid code. All right, back to here. Fine, specify it as an int, and then I'll just round it to like the nearest thing. And then I'll take a little bit off so you don't spawn right on the border. All right, so that's an int. That's fine. I don't really need to bother with that, but that's okay. Can I do math.round double and then do main manager? No, hang on. That's broken something there. That's completely the wrong spot that I was looking at. Here, this is what I wanted. Math.round double and then pass this and then divided by 2 and then just cast it as an int. Next double. Yeah. Oh, the solutions I come up with work, but I come up with them just a little too late. There's always a better way. Okay, let's try that again. Choose random respawn. Should expect a double. And we can do next double. Fixed. Cool. And one more thing that I want to try. I don't want it to just take the entire border, so I'm going to take a couple off of it because I don't want people respawning right on the edge. So let's give them like 3 blocks of forgiveness in all that. That should be fine. Does zoning out start staring at the water bottle now? Done staring, zoning out staring at the water bottle. Welcome back. Okay, that should give people extra health. That should give people spawning in the right spots. It should get rid of the leaves. We need to add weakness to players. Add weakness to players. So we'll come back to that. First, let's see if this all works. And then I think we're in a position where we can test it. He says for the 15th time. Hello, Water Munch. Start one shot. Ah. Damage Owen 1. Okay, now to see if I get that health back if I manage to get a... I did! It worked! I got healed. It didn't get rid of the leaves. Ow. Where are you calling the remove leaves function? I'll check it out in a sec. I think it's at the beginning of the game. Like the phase. Oh, she's up on the bloomin'... Whoa, whoa, whoa! She's better than me. Ah, she get up there. Oh! I can still get my health back here. This would be really cool. Oh, can you imagine this mini game but with like a gun mod, like a revolver mod? So you're like, and then like you can shoot 6 times and then you have to like reload. That would be so cool. You could probably do that with crossbows, to be honest. Honestly, I might make that. I feel like I could do that with not with like projectiles, because the thing is, arrows drop off. But I could easily just do a ray, like a ray trace, a ray cast from where you are to a position, and like just have a special item that does it. Paintball sounds better. No, because you got the whole like Western vibe. If you don't, I guess it does sound better in terms of being family friendly. Elder Guardian laser sight, laser quest. Are there projectiles that don't drop down? Yeah, but you'd want it to be raycast so that it's like instant, so you don't have to wait for them to like move slowly. I can still get my health back here. Ah, drat. All right. I think we've tested that enough now. Let's just see if we can figure out how to do the leave situation. Hello. And then let's give players weakness, and then we can get you guys in, I think. So, when a player respawns, we want to give them weakness. Let's have this be a utility thing. So, utility should have an abstract or static thing. Private, static, final, potion effect, weakness equals new potion effect. Potion effect type dot weakness. Duration is -1. 100 false false. Now we can have if I make these public, which is I think that's bad practice, I'll be honest. But where are these used? Give immunity. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I don't want to start messing with my visibility scopes. Let's just have something called public static void give player weakness. World. You don't need to do that. Do 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 ba 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 da do 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 do. Okay, so when a player respawns, they should get weakness, and when the game starts, everybody should get weakness. So let's do this. Give all, and then get a world. Give player weakness. Cool, fine. And now when the game starts and everyone begins, utility.give all, nope, not immunity, give all weakness main manager.getWorld. And when a player respawns, post them respawning event.getPlayer. We can do utility.give player weakness event.getPlayer. Cool. That stops people from being able to punch people. What was the other thing that I was doing? Oh, the leaves. Yeah. So if I go into here and I search remove leaves, that is used once at the beginning of the game. We get the world. We get the border game width. We divide it by 2 and -5 off of it. And we do that for the X and Y. No, we do that for the X and Z. And then we go from minus 64 up to 320. And then we say new location with these given coordinates. If is leaves, get the type of the block, then set it to air. The question is this even doing anything? Like, is this even entering here? So I'm about to spam the console a lot by saying this. I'm about to spam the console roughly 320 times 100 times 100 times. So that's what, like 320,000 or 3.2 million? Probably 320,000. This might not be good for the server. Oh, look who's here. Hello. Oh, yeah, that crashed the server. Well, good to know. It is working. Somewhat. It is entering the thing. Yeah, that's crashed the game. Which means it probably won't be able to do the whole actually. And I predicted that. Well, so did I. I think we all knew that was about to happen. Let me restart the server. Okay, so maybe, and here's a crazy idea. We don't want it to do this, and we want to instead use a runnable and spread it over a longer period of time, like we did with the other thing, the data pack. Because I ain't downloading World Edit. It's a bit rough. That is a bit rough, isn't it? I think that is what they call a bit rough. So let's make a new runnable. We'll call it remove leaf runnable. And I'm just going to copy and paste some of the stuff that I've got here to do this. We need a minigame field here. In fact, let's just quickly recall this. That's like, instead of, yeah. No, I think we all knew that was a bad idea, but I wanted to do it anyway. Minigame, cool. And then specify this as a minigame. And we're going to call this remove leaf runnable. And we want to take in the constructor minigame. It was worth a try. So when it runs, we want to specify when this is created a double border game width. So then we'll have private double border game width. Is that cool with you? That I wanna call your name. To find all blocks of a type in an area. Not that I'm aware of. There would be if I wanted to bother downloading World Edit, but I really don't want to have the person who I want to eventually make this public, and I don't want to be like, in order to have this work, you need to download World Edit. Here's how to do that. Like, I just want it to be like a sort of standalone thing. You get it. Okay, so we want to do the exact same thing as we've done before. Start task timer. Yeah, that's all fine. Int and period delay is all good. We want to specify private double y equals minus 64. So we're going to do this like a layer at a time. You could include it in your plugin, but it's generally not recommended. Yeah, let's just make a nice, easy way of doing this where they don't notice that it's not happening immediately because it happens like in the lead up. Eventually, I'll have like cutscenes and stuff, like animations that play. That all of this will be running in the background. I could, but I don't want to do that real top. I want it all to be like quite self-contained. So I want to go into void. No, I want to go into one shot and then take this and just remove it and then pop it in here. So we need to keep a running tally of. Yeah, so this needs to be removed. So that removes it by, now instead of cubed, it's squared, which is a little bit easier to work with. That I wanna call your name. Fine, we'll specify it as an int. I always do this. We also need to specify a, oh no, we can get it from the minigame. We can do minigame.getMainManager.getWorld. So it specifies an X, a Y, and a Z. And then it says if it's a leaf, remove it, which right now isn't working, but we'll get to that in a little bit. At the very least, what we can do is utility.send message to all admins, and we'll just do what we did again, but this time hopefully it won't crash. Hopefully being the keyword here. Minigame.getMainManager.getWorld. I'm going to just comment this bit out. I'm only running it once a second, so it should be fine. I'm going to start it at once a second and we'll ramp it up, see how high we can get it before it starts having a problem. Okay, I think that works. This is going to have a problem here. What we can do is start start leaf runnable. Banana wheel. All of this just to get rid of some leaves, eh? Silly. Public void start leaf runnable. And I want to find phase runnable. Here we are. What did I do for this? I'll just borrow this code. Thank you very much. We need to make a new thing. Where's main runnable these days? Oh, it's not in here. Private remove leaf runnable. Come on, you know this is a thing. That's a thing. Oh, drat. There we go. There it is. Okay, now for my, I should have a function here called cancel runnables. Yeah, we need to make sure that we cancel this when it's done. So remove leaf runnable. Remove leaf runnable. Sick. We want this to
It was my birthday last weekend and I got a bright green jumper with Shrek on. Skull, skull.
Yes, your dad gave it to you, didn't he? That's right, I read my chat. I saw you earlier. H. Okay. New remove leaf runnable. Oh, I need to specify. What's wrong with that? Oh, whoops. Okay, cool. This should work. Once again, should being the key word. Oh, I need to specify that once we're done with this, we have to add 1 to y. Y should be incremented. And then we also want to add a generate a getter for the y coordinate. And then if remove leaf runnable dot get y is equal to, we'll say 0, then remove leaf runnable dot cancel. We'll only have it go. Let's have it go up to like 100. Yeah, something's bound to go wrong here, but this should be fine. When do I start that? When do I start the leaf runnable? Should be on phase 1. Yeah, start leaf runnable. And I want to start it just before I do this one. There's probably an easier way to do this. In fact, there definitely is, but who cares? If this doesn't work, then we'll just play it as it is, and we'll get you guys in so we can have a silly game of one shot before we end up. All for some leaves. All for some leaves. Crazy. Oh no, Luann's not here. Let's see if I can do it without. Oh. Something still crashed. Oh, Luann tried to join a failing game. I think it might be a bit broken. Okay, we'll come back to that little problem later on. I'm just going to restart the server and we'll just play a normal game. So if we just don't start the leaf runnable, that should work fine. Oopsies, oopsies. My oopsies. Okay, let's re-render that. Okay, and now I should be able to rejoin. Okay, whitelist is off. Feel free to try and join. Let's try and find a nice spot. Locate biome bamboo jungle. This is good, but people will inevitably jump down into this thing and get lost. Locate biome plains biome. There's a lot of like stuff over here. Let's do TP 5100 5000. Why is 12 Alex saying 12 Alex again? Okay. That's an ocean, so that's not really vibey. Okay, there's nothing. Locate biome. Plains biome. Do 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 do. Is this gonna take me anywhere interesting? Oh, a village would be cool. Do 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 boo do boo boo do boo. It's cool. How do you feel about this? You're not gonna be able to join late, so if you the whitelist is gonna be turned off. So if you disconnect, you won't be able to play. All right, I'm gonna give you another minute to join. Are they punching the Iron Golem? Right, well, in that case... Luan, you might not be able to play if you're in creative mode. I don't know what happens. Let's find out. Yeah, now you're scared
Hey
of the Iron
Owen,
Golem.
do you think you will ever do a full-on just chatting stream? I think
I've
it
done
would
some
be
before.
quite fun. 3.
Oh, I just realised it tells us where they get teleported to when they die. Did the game break? Is the game broken? Game brokey. I broke something real quick. I think I know what happened. I bet if I go to the console, it will tell me. Yep. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah, but why do they get banned? You're being weird. Don't be weird. Don't start talking about farts in my chat, and then I won't ban you. Whitelist off. There was no rules about being weird. Yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? That there's no rules about being weird in society, yet it's sort of just expected that you don't be weird. Got you there, I suppose? Not at all. I am the ultimate ruler, and I rule with an iron fist. Just because I'm family friendly doesn't mean I want little children talking about farts in my Minecraft chat. All right, here we go. Doodle-doodle-doo, let's just do one more. Let's hope this works. There we go. I knew it was that. Dang it. Baby, if you know what's right, you'll spend another year with mama. Next thing you know... Evil Alex! Oh, it's Alex. Evil Alex! Okay, we're good. You hit that final chapter. Whoa! My cat got shot. This is an awful day. Dreadful. Whoever shot the cat. Shame on you. That you know what the catch is. No cure. Oh. I need to kill someone if I want to get my health back. There we go. Next thing you know, life's been taken on a different course. And why you want to be like that? That dude took a bullet for me.
It's
Did
a
you
mod's
see that?
birthday, Mercury says. Bit scuffed, but here we go.
Oh no.
H. Yes. 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 A. Yes. 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 P. Yes. 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 Okay, that's enough.
You knew just when to cut it short. Good job. Please, Jessica, please. Thank you. Maybe if you know what's right. I'm stuck in the fence! See, you know, life's been taken on a different course. And why you wanna be like that? I love you to the end, no matter. Oh, drat! Who was shooting me? Maybe you know what's right. You'll spend another year with mama. Thinking of your life's been taken on a different course. Now you wanna be like that. I love you too. Ah, getting bad. This is getting bad. Yeah, the villagers really are in the firing range, aren't they? Fishing Dippy, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Ah, oh, drat! Laura. Oh, you sneaky little what's it? Come here. Oh. Do 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 do. This takes me back. It's been a while. So it wasn't too difficult to make this game. Obviously, there was a couple of things that were going wrong that kept us tripping for a while. But in the process, we learned about new respawn events, like listeners. We learned about tags for blocks. It's been a very good learning experience. One more death? Uh-oh. I hadn't realized. I hadn't realized every single fight I've been getting into now is life or death.
Have you thought about adding any sort of arrow cooldowns? Or not really any point in doing them?
Maybe. Maybe in a future game mode. Uh-oh, I really need to get some kills here. There we go. Whew. Oh, look. Look. My saturation. Okay, good to know that we need to fix saturation as well. Not that it will affect much. Yeah, I did really hear one more death and I was like, not today. Uh-oh, maybe today. It could happen. It could happen right now. Oh! Drat. That was really good though. That was really, really strong. Wasn't a fan of that one. It's not everybody's cup of tea. It's a bit chaotic. Are there people hiding in houses? Okay, let's see if this respawn mechanic works with the border moving in now. I think I might still win on points, to be honest with you. I'm waiting to see if anyone spawns outside of the borders of the map. Reps in each life? Yeah. I definitely will add the teams back in again. I'll also remove the death messages and have it so it says like XYZ is now on 5 hearts kind of thing. Oh, don't get trapped outside the border. Oh, this is a small border. Oh my gosh, it's chaos. I still go third. Good job. Good job. Ooh. When you respawn, that's your like 3 seconds of invulnerability. That's when you really got to start doing a lot of work. I will do that again at some point. Yeah, I'll get custom. Like basically everything takes extra time now. Oh. I don't know how many hearts Mystic Moon has or Evil Alex. There does appear to be a bit of lag. I don't know what that is. I don't know what would be causing that, I'll be honest. I'll check the console in a sec. Oh! Wait, why did it say Evil Alex won? Okay, good to know. Scoreboard was updating, I believe. Let's just double check. If we relog, it should show us. I'm pretty certain it was updating. Death of a player doesn't update. Apparently, I can't even load in. Let me double check. Was there any? Oh, there has been some get killer is null. Oh, when people started dying to the border. Someone died to the border and there was no killer and that gave an error. So good to know. Need to fix that. Dying to the border results in error. Lag towards the end, question mark. Correct player did not win. Oh, error. Huh. It won't even let me. I don't think the scoreboard changed from dying to the end. I'll have to go back and check. Does being dead stop scoreboard from updating? Evil Alex could give us a hand here and let us know. Right now, it's not even letting me rejoin. That's a little worrying. I'm wondering what's happening. If I do slash... Howdy. Reload Alex. Are you at the top of the leaderboard? Yep, 37. Okay, that's better. It means that does stop being dead. Okay, being dead stops scoreboard from updating. We had that problem last time. That's a pretty easy fix. Yeah, I'm definitely only you second at 30. Good to know. Well done, Evil Alex. That was good hustle. If you got 37, that's crazy. Wow, looks like the server completely just shut down. Something was happening in that game that was causing some proper issues. Maybe the Leaf runnable, but it wasn't even technically going, so it shouldn't have. But never mind. All of us are in. Odd that only I am failing to join. I will try restarting now. And see if that works. But you guys will obviously all get kicked. In the meantime, I'm going to send you over to somebody and raid into them. Let's raid into... My Minecraft was just saying no. Let's see what Shane's doing. Maybe it's my internet connection, because now even my Twitch isn't working. Odd. I'm going to send you into Firebreath Man's stream blind.
Orange Jude TV streams are thionally superlative. It simply splendid how swiftly the sessions spark spectacular smiles. Surrounded by spirited oaths, sharing stories and thesis, it certainly a special experience.
Is there any help? If we do need room for more developers or any help to be offered at Power Creations, if we do have spaces that need to be filled, we'll send out tweets and stuff. So best chance is looking out at our Twitter. Right now we're working with builders. That's like our main focus. Anna, thank you very much for the tier 1. Just in time. I'm just about to raid. Thank you very much, everybody. You'll see me tomorrow. I'll probably have made a fair bit more of progress because I haven't got much else in terms of projects. I've not got any other TikToks and stuff. If anybody does know any TikTok editors, please open a ticket in the Discord because I'm trying to find somebody to edit some TikToks for me. Past experience and portfolio is both appreciated and sort of mandatory. So anyway, yes, spread the word if you don't know anybody yourself. I will be live again tomorrow and we'll do the same. All right, cool. See you guys later. Bye.